In this video, I want to introduce my book. It's Civil Engineering Drawing using AutoCAD or with AutoCAD. You can download it from this this website. It's the web address on my website. When you come to my website and go down, you will come here. This is a free PDF document, Civil Engineering Drawing using AutoCAD. This is wrong, it should be using. And then click on free download link, and then you can download the document from here. It's free. All two-dimensional and three-dimensional, fundamental and more than fundamental commands. Using those commands are illustrated here with pictures. I wrote this by myself. It's not a copy-paste book which is taken from the parts of other books. It's my own production. And in addition to these verbal and with pictures, explanations, and embedded videos, link of embedded videos must be somewhere here if it is required for a better explanation of using commands, also provided in the book. I'm searching for a video link. Videos were produced by some YouTube users or people. For example, here you see one video. There are a lot of embedded videos here. When you click on this, if the video is not removed by the person who put it there, you can also watch the using of the command.
Alright, so in this video I'm going to be
this is a free document. You will pay nothing to obtain this, and it's a complete document. To draw and modify three-dimensional shapes, you can also use this document. Okay. Just to thank to me, please subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.